Ever needed to turn a PDF into an image but don't know how to do it? Today I'll show you a very simple way to convert any PDF into an image. First, open Systweak PDF editor. It's honestly one of the best PDF managing tools if you want everything together: editing, converting, merging, and more. You can download it directly from the official Systweak website, or you can also use the download link given in the description below. Now at the top, you will see a convert option. Click on it. Then go to convert to and choose PDF to image. Now you can pick the image format you want: JPG, PNG, BMP or ZIP, whatever works best for you. Once you are ready, click on convert to image. The software will save the images automatically in the output folder. Here you can see this is the original PDF and this is the image version we just created. Super simple, right? If you have multiple PDF files and want to convert them all at once, that's also very easy. Open batch process and choose batch convert. Drop all your PDF files into the window. Select the image format you prefer and then hit convert to image. All your PDFs will be converted together, which saves a lot of time. And that's it. Now you know how you can convert any single PDF or a whole bunch of them into images without any hassle. If you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such helpful tech videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments.